Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we will be reviewing or comparing the two TP Link mesh Wi-Fi system, the Deco x50 and the Deco x60. So without further delay, let's find out which one is better for you. So if I talk about the design and setup, then you can see that both Deco x50 and x60 has similar sleek modern design that fits well in any home. They are easy to set up using the TP Link Deco application, making them user friendly even for beginners. If I talk about the performance, the Deco x60 offers faster speed as compared to x50 thanks to its higher data rates. This makes the x60 better for large households or those with many devices connected simultaneously. Both models support the Wi-Fi 6, providing better performance and coverage as compared to the older Wi-Fi standard. If I talk about the coverage area, so the Deco x60 covers a slightly larger area as compared to the x50. So if you have a big home or if you need to cover multiple floors, the x60 might be the better choice. However, the x50 still provides the excellent coverage for most homes. Now, both the systems can handle multiple devices smoothly, but the X60 has higher capacity and it performs better in the environment with heavy internet use such as streaming, gaming and video conferencing. The Deco X50 is more affordable, making it a great option for those on a budget who still wants benefit of the mesh Wi-Fi system. The Deco X60, while pricier, offers better overall performance, making it worth the investment if you need the extra speed and coverage. So in the conclusion, you need to choose the Deco x60 if you need the fastest speeds and the widest coverage for the large home with many devices. But if you are looking for a more budget friendly option, then you can that can still delivers the solid performance, then you can go with Deco x60 50. So I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.